Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You must grab attention instantly. Begin with a bold visual or line that forces a pause. Explain why. The algorithm rewards watch retention, so hook equals reach. Once you have that opening, make sure to pair it with clear intent, teach, shock, or inspire, and state it fast. You should also set the technical baseline right away. Vertical frame, crisp audio, and tight framing. Start the process now by recording the opening twice and choosing the punchier take for editing. Once done with the hook, move into a rapid, value-packed middle that delivers on the promise. Explain how. Break information into micro-steps, use 1 3-second cuts, and add captions so viewers follow without sound. Make sure to add a clear demonstration or example that resolves the initial question. This increases average view duration. Also layer upbeat music and a brief visual payoff before the end. If you want repeat views, slightly vary the ending across uploads and keep the core repeatable. You should close with a precise call to action and a satisfying payoff so viewers feel completion. Explain why. A single-focused CTA converts better than multiple asks. Once finished, optimize metadata. Choose a clickable thumbnail frame, craft a tight title, and pin a clarifying first comment. If views stall, troubleshoot. Test alternate hooks, trim to under 15 seconds, or replace music for better retention. Make sure to iterate quickly. Small changes reveal what the audience prefers.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.